Hello and welcome to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to send email to new Facebook leads automatically. So here the objective is every time a new lead is received, then automatically we should be able to send a mail to them welcoming them on board so that later you can nurture those leads. So here, every time a new lead is received through Facebook lead ads, and as soon as you submit, then automatically an email can be received by your lead. Now to do this, we will have to integrate Facebook lead ads with Gmail, and we can do the same using Pabbly Connect. So here our trigger will be Facebook lead ads and our action application will be Gmail. Now to understand how you can integrate and automate this entire process, let's begin. So this here is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect software, and now you can reach here by clicking on the link which is given in the video description. So if you are an existing user, simply sign in, and if you are a new user, you will have to sign up. It is not going to take more than 2 minutes. And also at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks to explore this entire software. Once you do that and you reach the dashboard, on the right hand side there's a tab Create Workflow. Click on this. Now this dialog box has appeared, and here we'll have to name this workflow. You can give any random name. So I'm going to name this as per my objective. So here my objective is to send email for new Facebook leads. Now I'm going to click on Create. And as I do that, here we have reached another window which has got two extremely important events. One here is trigger, another one is action. Now triggers and actions are basically those two principles or concepts on which this entire automation works. Trigger here is when this happens, action says do this. Basically, action here is the automated response of your trigger application. Now let's understand this with the help of an example. So every time you swipe your card and the payment is made, then you get an automated response through SMS or WhatsApp about the amount debited. Now this happens because of automation, and in such a case your trigger will be the payment gateway and your action application will be the SMS or WhatsApp sending applications. Now let's come to our use case. So here we want that every time we receive a new Facebook lead ad, then the person who has just filled up the form or the person who is our new lead should receive a mail. So here my trigger will be Facebook lead ads. Here it is. Next we have the trigger event. So this is the event that is going to make this workflow run, and here it will be new lead instant. So basically this workflow is going to trigger when a new lead is submitted in specified lead generation form associated to your Facebook page. So I'm going to select this. Now here on the right hand side you can see it is written that this trigger is going to instantly capture the new incoming data, which means we have got no polling time. The moment we receive a new lead, then automatically this workflow is going to trigger. Okay, now I'm going to click on Connect. As I do that, here Pabbly Connect wants to connect with Facebook lead ads account. So before I create this connection, I've already logged into my Facebook account. I'm going to select Add New Connection since I'm setting up this connection for the first time. Now I'm going to click on Connect with Facebook lead ads. So as I do that, you can see that the authorization has been successful. And once this is done, so this means that Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect are now totally connected. Now as I take you down, here we have to select the Facebook page and then the lead generation form associated with it. To understand this, first I'm going to take you to my Facebook account. Here you can see these are pages. Now these are the various pages that I have already created. Now let's say that I'm promoting Ayush Herbal Store. So every time a new lead is received, then automatically a mail shall be sent to the new lead talking about Ayush Herbal Store. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to select Ayush Herbal Store. Here it is. Now here you can see since it had only one lead generation form, so it has already been captured by the system. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And once we do that, here we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So basically now we have to do a test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So for this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you to Meta for Developers page. Here we have to go to Tools. Now within Tools, we have Lead Ads RTU Debug tool. Click on this. Now here, we have to use this tool to test our integration. So we can create a test lead to confirm that our integration is set up to receive data correctly. Now here first we have to select the page. So the name of our page is Ayush Herbal Store. So this here is the page, and now within this page there was only one form. So you can see that it has already arrived here. Now I'm going to click on preview form. Now this here is our form. So now I'm going to quickly fill up the form. So first we have the full name. So it is Smart User 123. Then we have the phone number. So it is, then we have the email address, which is smartuser123@pabblytutes.com. Now I'm going to click on next, submit, and we can see that our form has been submitted. I'm going to quickly close this. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect to see if we have received the response, and here it is. So this here is the full name of the person, mobile number, email address. This is the created date and time. This is the ID, form ID. So once we have received this information, I want to send a mail to this user welcoming him on board. So here I'm going to choose my action application as Gmail to send the mail. You can use any other platform to send mails as well. Next is the action event, and here it will be send email. Let's click on connect. So here Pabbly Connect wants to connect with Gmail account. I'm going to select add new connection, connect with Gmail. Now here we have to choose an account. So yes, I have chosen the account. So now Pabbly Connect wants to access my Google account. This is absolutely secure. Here I'm going to go down, click on allow. And here you can see that the authorization has been successful. Now here we have to fill in this information. First of all, we have recipient's email address. So here I have to fill in the email address of the new lead received. How am I going to do that? I'm going to click on this. You can see the previous step here. Click on this. This here is the response received, and here we have the email address. Now this method with which I have added the information here is known as mapping, and this is important so that every time the workflow runs, it can take the new data into consideration. Had I written the same information manually, so even when this workflow was running in real time and I had received the new lead, so it wouldn't have taken the new information. Instead, it would have taken the same email address. So to avoid that, we map the information. Okay, next we have the sender's name. So if you wish to add CC, BCC, you can always do that. Then we have the sender's name. So here I'm going to write Ayush Herbal Store. Then we have the email subjects. Here I'm going to write welcome on board. Then we have reply to. Email content type is plain. What is the email content? So here I'm going to write dear. Now I'm going to map the name of the person. So here we have the name of the person. The message is welcome on board. We are glad to have you with us. Please check out our website to receive information about our latest products and offers. Enjoy 25% discount on your first purchase. Regards, AHS team. Now this here is the message. Then if you wish to send any file along with this mail, then you can write the file name here and the attachment has to be pasted here. Remember, the maximum file size allowed for the attachment is 25 MB. Now once this is done, I'm going to click on save and send test request. And as we do that, here we have received the response. So now I'm going to take you to the email address of the person to see if we have received this mail. So I'm going to quickly refresh this, and here you can see we have received the mail. So I'm going to open this, and this here is our message. So this means that our integration is a complete success. Now let's check the same in real time. So I'm going to take you back to Meta for Developers lead at testing tool, and here I'm going to first delete the previous lead. Once you delete the lead, always remember to refresh the page. And once you have done this, now here I'm going to select the page once again, which is Ayush Herbal Store. Here it is. And then I'm going to click on preview form. Now let's fill up the form. Let's say the full name is dummy new. And then we have the phone number, which is, then we have the email address, which is dummy@pabblytutes.com. Okay. Now I'm going to click on next and click on submit, and as soon as this form has been submitted, then automatically the person should receive a mail. Let's go and check our inbox, and now I'm going to take you to inbox. Quickly refresh this page. Okay, here you have received another mail. So this is dear dummy new, and then we have the same message. So this means our integration is a complete success. Taking you back to Pabbly Connect, let's quickly understand what we have to do. So here our trigger was Facebook lead ads, where the event was new lead instant, and our action application was Gmail, where the event was to send email. I hope this is absolutely clear to you. If in case you have any doubt, you can refer to the workflow which is given in the video description. You can also clone the same and start to process immediately. Apart from this, if you have any specific integration that you wish to work on, then you can always write to us.
Not only this, but you can integrate multiple applications using Pabbly Connect software. To ask any of your query, you have to write at forum.pabbly.com. You can also visit our website, which is www.pabbly.com/connect. To get all the details about the latest updates, the integrations and applications, you can visit our Facebook group. If in case you have found this video helpful, then do not forget to share this with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get into automation and make their life easy. I'm going to see you very soon with different integrations and automations. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care of yourself.